Hey guys, today I will show you how to upgrade weapons in Monster Hunter World. First, go to the smithy in Astera and interact with him. Choose Upgrade Equipment, then choose weapon you want to upgrade. You will then see the upgrade tree of the weapon type you selected. Upgrading weapons requires monster materials like ores, bones, and rare drops plus Zenny. You can only upgrade along paths you have unlocked, which means you need to hunt specific monsters to open new branches or raise your hunter rank to unlock more upgrade paths. Some upgrades improve raw damage, others add elemental damage, affinity, or sharpness, so always check the weapon stats before confirming. Useful tip: do not depend only on raw damage. Sharpness affects how often you bounce and your damage multiplier, and affinity controls critical hit chance. Balancing these stats gives more consistent damage output. And that's how to upgrade weapons in Monster Hunter World. Thank you so much for watching.